Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Today we are going to cook pakora. So we take 8 green chilies, then take 5 to 6 onions and peel the onion and cut the upper side of green chili. Then chop the onion and green chili in the chopper. Pour these all things. Then chop it. This is the phase of chop. Then I call ingredients. Take ingredients. 2 tablespoon of chili powder. 1 tablespoon of turmeric. Salt as your taste. 1 cup of chickpea flour. Pour all ingredients on the mixture of onion and green chili. Then with the help of water you mix well. Then take while and until wait for hot it. Then take a mixture and pour the mixture on it in your favorite shapes, big, small, as your choice. Take also a chaat masala. If you want buy chaat masala, please contact me on comment section. For more information, I give my phone number for you. Give information. After 2 minutes, you mix it. Then 5 minutes, it's your favorite, delicious, tasty. Your pakora is ready for Ramzan. Make it Ramzan and eat with your family and friends. Enjoy the Ramzan. If you like this recipe, please like, share, subscribe for more interesting videos. My video is coming at Ramzan special. Please like, share, subscribe for more interesting videos. Samra Food Secrets.